Alright, day 7. Got a couple of samples picked out here for the floor and the counters. They started to prime. We removed that one board there and it looks absolutely fantastic now. It's kind of hard to see on camera. Yeah, getting rid of more. Watch out, that's wet joint compound. So, yeah, the stairs are like solid now. There's Maggie. And you get that all drywalled up. Still got that though. Oh yeah, we got that painted too. Well, at least the one side. Yeah, look at the difference between the whites. That's incredible. So, still got some repairs to make in there. The dumpster is also gone. So, yeah, I almost say that we need another one for all the other crap.